All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. Over this weekend, many people were profiting in the chat. If you want to become a student, I do offer one-to-one mentorship or have a course for anyone that doesn't have too much time. If you just want to be part of the chat, all the links that you need are found in the description and comment section below. So you can either just become a member and join the chat or actually take action and become a student. And everyone, it's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Fantom update. This one's going to be a quick one. If you remember in the last video, I actually told you guys you can now take profits from your position because we were, I think, up about 9% from this short over here. Yeah, still up about 9-10%. It was up to you. I said you can either move stops to entry right over here on just below the green line, stop loss at entry. So it's now, if it hits it, at least you get out and it's a risk-free trade. You're not going to lose anything if it comes and taps it, or you can secure your 9-10%, whether you leveraged it or not. Without leverage, it was 9 to 10%. Or you can simply wait for this to be retested. It's up to you what you personally believe is going to happen. But yeah, at least I warned you already in the last update, whether you wanted to take profits, move stop to entry, or continue holding. Personally, I would have just closed it, but there, or move stop loss to entry, because we don't really know what's going to happen with Bitcoin. We've been seeing Bitcoin ranging these last few days and weeks, and not much is happening. I think last night we even had some bearish candlestick patterns and then it pumped. So yeah, this is what tends to happen in ranges. It's not the best, like nothing's really like as successful when we're in range bound markets. We need trending markets for things to become more successful. And of course, this is started a downtrend, Fantom. But as we can see from this point, 8th of May, almost the beginning of the month now, 2 weeks ago or so, we've been doing nothing. So yeah, stuck in this range bound market for the last 2 weeks or so. So that's why I was saying, you know, this could be setting up as a bullish pattern, as a W to come back up. And that's why I was suggesting in the last Fantom update to actually either secure your profit now or move stop loss to entry. So even if it goes wrong, at least you're not going to lose any money. Now, the reason why we took this position was because of this double top M pattern. And we saw this across many cryptos such as Gala. And we took that position and profited between 20 to 30% without any leverage. So this is why you need to be subscribed to the channel. Make sure you do so. Like, subscribe, comment for the algorithm, and share it so it actually reaches all your followers. This is going to be the greatest thing to get more eyes on it, essentially. Now, we need to be careful, because if we're failing to reclaim the green line and coming up and maybe just retesting it as resistance, since we do have the 200 and the 55 here, we can also see a death cross is about to happen. The only way we go ahead and invalidate this death cross is price getting back above the green line, which would be a reclaim of the 200 EMA and the 55, and forming something called an EMA repair where we slingshot through, and you could have a pattern formation like an inverse head and shoulders over here. But I do believe that that won't be the case, guys. We can see they're very close to crossing over. I think this is going to happen in the next day or so. So once they do cross over, it's like a death cross. It essentially means we're going to get this downtrend continuation. So that's why over the last few updates, we were talking about this larger descending triangle, a larger M pattern over here, using this smaller one as the second top, and this being our neckline. We're yet to lose the neckline. In fact, you can come down to the 618. You would have lost the neckline, but you're still holding a key area of support, which is the golden pocket. So you can technically, after such a rally, retrace back down into this level and still continue higher. Yes, this is a fact. So hopefully this is a correction. Otherwise, as I've already shown you in the past, this descending triangle is actually calling for targets to the downside back at the 1 fib level over here, 164892, in and around that area here, 178071. So anywhere between there, this would be the target to the downside if all of these key levels of support were lost, being the neckline of the pattern. Technically, from that point on the loss of that, we would say the target is now valid, but I would personally wait for the 618 to be lost. Let me guys know what you think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll make another Fantom update sometime soon. But yeah, again, the last 2 weeks nothing has been happening. Luckily enough, we were in this short position. In last update, it was about 9% up, so I just said, yeah, you guys can either take profits now, which yeah, personally I did, and then you guys can decide what you want to do, whether you just want to move stop loss to entry over here. Thank you guys.